Hey loves, today's video is an Amazon eyeshadow palette review. I will be trying out the Peach Dream palette from Prism Makeup. I purchased the Prism Makeup Peach Dream palette on Amazon for $8.99. Peach Dream is a 12-pan all-matte palette made up of neutral pink and brown shadows. I am starting off this eye look by highlighting my brow bone with Angel using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. I am blending Tarte directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using the Ruby Kisses small eyeshadow brush. I am blending Tarte and Angel together using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender. I am applying Semi-Fredo to the outer third of my lid with my Bazic Beauty eyeshadow brush. I am applying this red from the LA Colors Shimmer eye palette to the remainder of my lid using my Remi Rose eyeshadow brush. Now, with my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush, I am taking the pale gold from that Shimmer eye palette and highlighting my brow bone. For my winged liner, I use the Nicka Microfine Artliner in black as a base for their eye pencil in dark brown. Today, I am using the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes Mascara. For this look, I chose the I Envy Iconic Natural Icon Lashes in style 12. I am applying Trifle to my lower lash line using my AOA E115. I am lining my waterline with the LA Colors Metal Eye Pencil in Atomic. Going back to that red shadow from the LA Colors Shimmer Eye Palette, I am pressing that onto my waterline using my Bazic Beauty small eyeshadow brush. To complete this eye look, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with the Revlon Color Charge Loose Powder in Copper using my Bazic Beauty small eyeshadow brush. I really enjoyed creating this makeup look using the Peach Dream palette by Prism Makeup. This palette is all matte. This is my first all matte palette. I usually go for palettes that have a mixture of mattes and shimmers, but I could not pass up the colors in this palette, and I'm so happy I bought it. This palette is an amazing deal for $8.99. I definitely recommend you pick it up. There will be a link at the top of the description, as well as a full list of all of the other products that I used to create this look. Drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!